It was popping. So I stumbled upon a crazy video, and I found a whole new sport that I never knew existed called rally car racing. I just wanted to share this with you guys because this is nuts. Like this is dedicated fans, because they're risking their lives just being at the race this close. Like look how close they are to the edge with no barrier, and B, the drivers are so highly skilled. But let's check it out. Bro, imagine like, you're a kid, right? And I'm sure there's tons of teenagers, in these crowds. And you're at the dinner table and your parents are like, "So, what did you do today?" And you're like, "Oh, nothing, just hang out." And meanwhile, this is where you went to. Oh my goodness. Dude behind a tree totally crapped himself. Totally crapped himself. Like his pants are now wet. He's about to go home and eat dinner. It's going to be the best dinner he ever tasted. Bro, it's snowing and icy, and he's cutting it dirty. And these are old cars too. There were none of the cool safety features, that our modern day cars or the modern day frames have. Like people were dying in car accidents like it was normal back then, but they were whipping it, didn't give a damn. Yo, if no one died just there. Wow. Wow. Oh my, if no one died. Oh my goodness.
Opens. 70.
Hey, he ain't wrecked though. He ain't wrecked. All right, that's all I'm saying. It wasn't pretty, but he made it. They flying.
This revolutionary tooth cleaner is saving users from expensive and painful surgery. It removes tartar,
close. So close. Like the greats are great, but the people that suck in this sport, they eat it.
Unbelievable, look at it, yeah.
Bro, there's so many people, and they're just waving their arms. Oh my god. Oh my god. You gotta be so cool, calm, and collected behind the wheel in this moment. Like, oh.
Into long 6 right. This is crazy. 30k, long 3 right, minus.
What idiot just stepped out in front of him just now? Just like you're an idiot.
6 left. Look at 300.
I can't even see the finish board. I should never have been allowed to run.
Bro, his whole knee is gonna need reconstructed. His whole knee, like it's over for his whole entire leg. I'm pretty sure it just got snapped by that bumper. Some highly skilled driving going on. Doing so good. Oh god, how do you not die in these? How do people not die? Somebody had to have. Ooh.
Oh my god, it's very nice.
Flat left over brow, 100.
Imagine you have to sneeze. At this moment, you have to sneeze, or your eyes start watering.
Flat right maybe. 70 flat left. 70. Absolute right. 150. Unseen easy right. 50.
Dude, I'd have to change my pants. I would have to change my pants. There's no way. They would be somebody be like, "Do I smell shit?" Yes, that shit you smell.
Easy left. 50 grid, 100. Oh, dear God.
That was such a crazy save. Oh my lord. I thought he was about to eat it. And to believe that he has someone in his passenger seat too. That is bananas. Trusting him with everything. Alright. Woo, after that, bro, I'm gonna cut it. Alright, let me know what you guys think. This is rally racing. It's from 70s, 80s, and 90s. It just get too crazy sometimes. You gotta chill, bro. My adrenaline started pumping. Alright, pretty sure we just watched somebody get smashed. They try to get flagged up in this mug, but yeah, man, this is rally car racing. It's pretty nuts. Let me know what you guys think, man. I'm a big fan of this sporting event. You gotta be crazy to do these, to be a fan and to be the driver. Like, I just couldn't. Your reflexes just to drive have got to be like perfect, and then you got to be also crazy. And to be a fan, you're just an idiot, because you could watch this on TV, you could watch from a distance. People want to be right there, like the dudes sticking their hand out and hitting the bumper. They're so close. But yeah, man, I'm out of here. Y'all take it easy, and as normal, healthy don't hurt. I'm out. Peace.